The letter G is pronounced G, as in galaxy. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see the pronunciation of consonants in French. So let's start. The letter B is pronounced B, as in bébé. The letter C is pronounced K, as in carte. The letter D is pronounced D, as in dinosaur. The letter F is pronounced F, as in France. The letter G is pronounced G, as in galaxy. The letter H is silent, as in hôtel. The letter J is pronounced J, as in jeudi. The letter K is pronounced K, as in koala. The letter L, a single or double L, is pronounced L, as in Laura or appel. The letter M, a single or double M, is pronounced M, as in maman or pomme. The letter N, a single or double N, is pronounced N, as in non or année. The letter P, a single P or double P, is pronounced P, as in poire or appel. The letter Q is pronounced Q, as in Qatar. The letter R, a single or double R, is pronounced R, as in raisin or verre. The letter S, a single or double S, is pronounced S, as in soleil or basse. The letter T is pronounced T, as in thé. The letter V is pronounced V, as in Venus. The letter W is pronounced V, as in wagon. The letter X is pronounced X, as in xylophone. And finally, the letter Z is pronounced Z, as in zèbre. That's it for the pronunciation of French consonants. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!